Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet. It is one of the smallest and easiest crochet stitches to learn, and it is great for many crochet projects. So to get started, in the row we're going to chain one, and that'll bring you up to the height of a single crochet. You can count that chain as a stitch, but I hardly ever do, so we're just going to not count it as a stitch, and we're going to single crochet into the first stitch here. And we're going to insert our hook under the top two loops, and we're going to wrap the yarn over and pull through. We have two loops on the hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn over and pull through two loops, and that's our first single crochet. And then we're going to do that again in the next stitch. We're going to go under the top two loops, wrap the yarn over, pull through, and that's two stitches.